is Ankit. Welcome back to your new vlog. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. I mean, you guys are enjoying like anything. Today I'm telling you guys I'm here in Lisbon, which is very famous place here in Portugal. So the weather of Lisbon is you can see it's 18 degrees Celsius here, and my plan is to go out. Hopefully I will go out and show some good places to you guys. Please be with me in my blog. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have not follow me on Instagram, so this is the Instagram link which is coming. You can follow me on Instagram. So guys, if you follow me on Instagram, so you'll get the live updates where I am exactly in whole world. So guys, quickly I just give you a walk around of my hotel where I am today. I just show you quickly, and after that I'll go out and show some good places. Hopefully I get some good places to show you guys. So first thing first, I'll show you my hotel. So start from here. This is the TV guys, a big TV they have given me, and the bed is also here. And the most important part of my life is washroom. Guys, you can see it's a little bit messy, but it's fine. But the washroom is quite good. And this is the entrance if you want. And from here the outside view comes, and this is the outside view from my hotel. You can see guys how Lisbon look like. This is the actual buildings, you know. So I believe guys you are also very excited as I am. So my plan is I'm going out alone. I'm going out. Let's see. I'll go some good places and show you. कभी कभी सोचता हूँ ऐसे बैठ जाऊँ इसके पास में और मैं ब्लॉगिंग स्टार्ट कर दूँ, बट ऐसा होता नहीं है. So guys आप देख सकते हो. So guys अभी मैं लिफ्ट में हूँ यहाँ. आप देख सकते हैं ये मेरा गेटअप पहुँच गया ऑलरेडी. Guys तो अभी बाहर आ गया हूँ. आप देख सकते हो बाहर का व्यू ऐसा है. ये बड़े अच्छे बिल्डिंग्स है. मैं दिखाता हूँ. ये बिल्डिंग मेरे सामने से बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. Yeah, guys, you can see how the building they have painted in the building. It looks amazing. Guys, यहाँ के बेगर लोग ऐसे होते हैं. तो वेदर बहुत अमेजिंग हुआ है. सनलाइट है. मज़ा आ रहा है वॉक करने में स्ट्रीट में. नॉट अ स्ट्रीट, इट्स काइंड ऑफ हाईवे. मैं साइड में वॉक कर रहा हूँ, तो मैंने स्ट्रीट बोल दी, बट इट्स फाइन. अभी मुझे थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही टाइम लगेगा पहुँचने में. अभी चौक पे पहुँचने वाला है, नाके पे पहुँचने वाला है. नाके से टर्न लूँगा. टर्न लेके 1 किलोमीटर मुझे और भी वॉक करनी है. जो प्लेस में जा रहा हूँ जाने के बाद दिखाऊँगा. बहुत ही अमेजिंग प्लेस है गाइस. वो नाके की बात कर रहा हूँ. वहाँ पे इतना बड़ा चौराहा है ना. मेरे पीछे जो चौक है वहाँ से मैंने लेफ़्ट लिया. लेफ़्ट लेने के बाद सीधा जाऊँगा 1 किलोमीटर में मुझे वो डेस्टिनेशन मिलेगा. Guys, see the view from here. How amazing. कंट्री हो तो ऐसी होनी चाहिए है ना. So guys, आप देख सकते हो सिग्नल यहाँ पे ग्रीन है. Whenever you see this green signal, you can cross the road. So guys, finally I am on my right way. Still 1 more kilometer to walk. Sometimes it's better to walk rather than taking any bus or cab. So मैंने आज सोचा कि मैं पैदल ही वॉक करता हूँ. It's been long days. I did not walk for a long time. So I thought to walk. भाई ये देसी कबूतर यहाँ भी है, इंडिया वाले. वैसे एक बार इंडिया फ़ोन लगा लूँ क्या? नहीं, छोड़ो, रहने दो यार. इंडिया नहीं लगाऊंगा. I want to show you the bus stand. Bus stand is like this. This is the bus stand, guys. After 15 minutes of walk, I got tired. I thought to take some rest. So I just sat over here. You can see, guys. And after some time, I'll take some rest and then I'll go further. Maybe 10 more minutes of walking distance. I'll reach my destination and I'll show how it is, how beautiful it is. So guys, be with. तो मुझे वीड बेच रहा था वो, तो मैंने बोला मुझे नहीं लेना यार. रखा दिया. ये सब ऐसे ही होते हैं. वीड बेच करके खरीदने जाओ तो पिक पॉकेट कर लेते हैं यार. Guys, this building behind me is really amazing. I liked it. See. So guys, मैं finally पहुंच गया यहाँ पे after 20 minutes of walking distance. Map was showing it's 35 minutes, but I reached only 20 minutes. So sometimes Google Map भी बताता है गलत चीज़. आगे थोड़ा रिवर भी है, वो देखता हूँ, वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है guys. So be with my vlog and see, enjoy the sightseeing guys. So guys, this is also a fountain, very nice view. So guys, these all are shops, all are in discounted price, 50% off, 50% off everywhere. Wherever you see, it's on sale. See, I seriously don't have any plan to do shopping and all, but hopefully if I get anything which is really good, I'll buy. And I literally don't know what is it, but really looks amazing. It's kind of lift. Let's go further guys, I'll show you the river. River is very nice here. I hope you guys are enjoying my video. बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत लगती है एक वीडियो बनाने के लिए. See guys, this is kind of colorful building here. Lots of shops called souvenir shops here. So guys, this is also a sightseeing places here in Lisbon. I'll tell you the important part. Guys, the war movie, you know, one scene is shot here. You can see the bike wala scene. That scene is really shot here. You can see the view. शायद कुछ याद आ रहा होगा. सारे पत्थर से बने हैं गाइस. Click something. The weather is too good, so I thought to take a rest here. You know, the weather combination, if I tell you, is like little bit of windy. And it's cold already, 14 degrees Celsius with the sunlight. Sunlight is just sun kissing me. And the view from my point of view is like this. मगरमच्छ अभी पूरा बन गया guys. You can see it's looking really amazing. But the sea water is coming and destroying it. So it's trying to see. The water is coming inside. Oh, that's too bad. Oh my god. Fully destroyed. Oh my god. ये सही है भाई, बुलबुला उड़ा रहा है. Hopefully you guys are enjoying my video guys. कमेंट करके बताना गाइस वीडियो कैसा लगा. अभी और भी बहुत कुछ करने को है. होपफुली ऊपर जाने का प्लान है, वहाँ कैसे होगा देखते क्या करते हैं. I'm just trying to find out the way how to go there. Once I reach, I'll show you how good. Really curious about it. What's behind this gate? It's a big, huge gate. देखते इसके पीछे है क्या एक्चुअली में. So guys, inside से ये ऐसा लगता है. There's a watch as well. And the timing is, you can see, 2:20. ये गाइस ओरिजिनल है, मजाक नहीं है. ये ओरिजिनल में बैठा हुआ था. मैंने उसके आईज देखा ना, आईज ऐसे से हो रहे थे. So guys, that was not a statue. It's kind of original thing. ठंड लग रही थी तो मैंने सोचा why don't I climb in the mountain. So I started climbing the mountain and found this one. So guys, I think this is a church. Oh, it's not a church, it's a museum. Let's try to find out what's inside. Guys, it was a museum, so I did not go inside. It was a chargeable, so I thought why to go and why tram in behind. So guys, आज का वीडियो को यहीं पे ख़त्म करता हूँ. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have not followed me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram. Instagram का link नीचे आ रहा है. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you. Bye bye.